Hello, I'm Uyen, and I'm here to walk you through strategic recommendations aimed at enhancing your omnichannel experience. Our focus will be on improving each platform to stay competitive in the fast-paced B2B e-commerce space. Let's dive right in. In this video, I will first highlight the key issue that Yugo is currently facing. Afterward, I will outline two strategic approaches, one with high investment and one with lower investment. Finally, we will discuss the KPI to track the success of these strategies. Let's begin by exploring the challenges Yugo is taking. Yugo currently faces four critical issues that need addressing. First, its platform is not fully accessible due to a language barrier, limiting its reach, especially for non-Chinese speakers. Second, payment options and security are limited, which impacts user trust. Third, there is a high dependence on agents for purchase, which complicates the buying process. Finally, limited customer support channels and slow response times create frustration for users. This table illustrates how the key issues are broken down for each strategy. For the high investment approach, we tackle all the identified issues, while the low investment approach focuses on the two most important issues, which are from 1.1 to 2.2. Both strategies aim to drive Yugo toward a better position in the B2B e-commerce space. Looking at the expected outcome of these strategies, on the high investment strategy, the performance of Google increased by 73% to 96%, which is better than the 90% of Alibaba. The low investment route take performance to 85%, reducing its distance with Alibaba from 17% to 5%. This graph shows how a high investment path affects the key omnichannel evaluation criteria. By focusing on these, Google would be able to offer a more seamless and secure user experience. But the improvements are not as dramatic as the high investment path. You will still see considerable gains in areas like lack of accessibility, checkout usability, and transaction security in a low investment scenario. On top, the road is lower. It's a cost-effective solution that still helps you make meaningful progress toward offering a better customer journey across multiple channels. To tackle this, I propose implementing an advanced multilingual system integrated into the website and the mobile app. This system will use narrow machine translation, supporting over 100 languages and offering more than 19% context-aware accuracy for business and e-commerce terms. Additionally, visual translation will allow buyers to scan documents and packets, instantly translating the text and reducing information barriers. Real-time chat generation will further enhance supplier-buyer communications, enabling smoother negotiation across global markets, extending beyond just Chinese and English interactions. This approach will make Yugo accessible to a much broader international audience. Moving on to the issue of inconsistent feeder parity, the recommendation is feeder prioritization and phase rollout strategies. First, a prioritization matrix, such as the right scoring model, will evaluate missing feeders. The alpha testing phase will allow for iterative refinement before a full-scale rollout, ensuring the platform meets quality standard and deliver a seamless experience across different language interfaces. In the initial stage, Yugo should focus on core transactional features and gradually add secondary functionalities. This strategy will minimize feature gaps over time and improve consistency across all language versions. The solution for the next problem is to implement a multimedia review system with AI-powered feedback summarization. This system allows buyers to provide rich feedback in the form of pictures, video, and teletext, enabling them to give more accurate reviews. For instance, a buyer can upload image or video showing product defects or quality difference and provide comments that are more detailed. AI-powered feedback summarization will then process large amount of feedback efficiently, summarizing key insights and helping buyers assess supplier performance more accurately. This approach not only helps potential buyers make better decisions, but also assists suppliers in identifying areas for improvement, ensuring that you will become a more reliable platform for B2B transactions. Addressing payment method limitations, I recommend forming partnership with regional payment providers. This will allow Yugo to offer a wider range of payment options, including local payment methods, credit cards, and digital wallets. By supporting multiple currency and automatic currency conversions, Yugo will improve payment accessibility and speed up transaction processing. Next, we focus on payment transparency concern. To build greater trust among users, we recommend implementing PCI DSS certification and SL encryption security. This solution provides multiple benefits. The first one is enhanced data security. Sensitive cardholder information will be protected with robust security measures. The second one is protection against unauthorized access. SSL encryption and other security protocols safeguard transaction data during transfer, ensuring secure and private exchange. The third one is increased customer trust. By displaying visible SSL indicators during the checkout process, customers will feel more confident in the security of their transaction, reducing concern about potential risks. To resolve these following 3.1 problems, I suggest integrating a customized logistics service directly into the checkout process. By doing so, logistic options will be displayed directly during checkout, streamlining the process and eliminating the need for agents. This will also speed up the purchase flow, reducing abandonment rates, and enhancing customer trust with clearer shipping and delivery options. Another challenge Yugo face is the lack of strong customer channel options and limited social media presence. The solution is to adopt a dynamic social strategy. By building active profiles on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Weibo, Yugo can engage more directly with customers. This strategy will involve creating tailored content for each platform, from new product launch to customer story and trend, boosting overall brand awareness. Collaboration with key opinion leaders will also increase readability and extend reach within the B2B community. I recommend integrating AI-powered chatbot for the challenge of slow response time to customer inquiries. This chatbot can respond to routine inquiry instantly, available 24 hours 7, thus improving response time and ensuring that customers get quick answers. Not only will this reduce wait time, but it will also allow staff to focus on more complex issues. The chatbot can be personalized to assist users with a variety of common concerns, from payment questions to order status, make the entire customer service experience much more efficient. I recommend integrating AI to measure the success of the proposed strategy. We need key performance indicators. These KPI will help track progress and ensure that the improvement are driving the desired outcomes. For example, in the repurchase stage, we will focus on language coverage, platform accessibility, and the adoption rate of visual translation features. During the purchase stage, our KPIs will track payment method adoptions, successful conversion rates, and security certification, like PCI DSS. For the purchase stage, we will measure customer satisfaction, rule feedback system, and chat response efficiency. This KPI will guide us in ensuring that you will move toward becoming more seamless, user-friendly, and compete effectively in the B2B market. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your time and your attention.